One sunny morning, Coco found a lonely little seed. It looked lost, so Coco decided to help it grow. What's that?
A little seed that needs a home, Coco said.
They chose the perfect place for the seed to live.
Coco tucked it in like a cozy blanket.
Pip fluttered down to help keep it warm. A little water and a lot of love were all it needed. Together, they checked on the seed every day. One morning, the seed peeked out to say hello. Bella jumped with joy. It was growing. Each day, the little plant stood stronger. Coco whispered, "We're proud of you." It wasn't just a plant. It was their new friend.
Big things grow from small care, just like friendships.